Destiny Connectors is the vision given to Pastor Catherine Mwesige in 2002. It was birthed and established in 2015 in Johannesburg, South Africa. It is an organization aims to empower women in leadership on how they can continue to be successful in their careers, businesses, and ministries as leaders, while excelling in the purpose of their creation as helpers and key people in the society.
When the family stands, the society stands. When the society stands, the nation stands. Yes. So women, let's take off. They stand and continue to be engineers. While we are influential in the world. Love you all.
Women of Africa, you will never be the same again.
Yes.
You will never be the same again. You are a carrier of the vision that comes from God Himself. Arise, O women of God. Arise and become unstoppable.
We have the greater responsibility within us. We should not undermine ourselves. We should not look down upon ourselves. It's not about the clothes you wear. It's not about the makeup you put on. It's about every conversation you're having privately in your head. And every emotion that is linked to that. That is what is making you depressed. That's what is making you have no self-esteem. That's what is making your house a wreck.
Destiny Connectors hosts a breakfast seminar for women leadership each year in South Africa, Johannesburg. This year we are launching it in Kigali, Rwanda, on the 17th August 2019 at the Hotel The Mill Corinne from 9 a.m. Our theme is Unstoppable Balanced Women. Our host is Pastor Catherine Mwesige. Ladies, we have great and equipped speakers as follows: Dr. Monique Nsanzabagano, Honorable Anita Mutesi, and Pastor Lydia Masasu. Our panelists are Apostle Tina Sua, Maitre Donna Kamashaz, Pastor Hortense Mazimaka, and Mileye Ineza Kalera. Women in Leadership in Rwanda, you are invited and don't miss this exceptional event for anything. See you all and God bless.